Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock Canva's new secret element pack that many people still don't know about. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then create or open any designs that you are working on. And then just tap on elements and then search for this code. Just type this code and then enter. And okay, like this, you will see hidden collections instantly. This bag is called Sweet Love Aesthetic Stickers. Like this, it's so cute. It's like adorable pastel style elements like envelope, calendars, love letter, butterflies, and many more. It's all in soft, romantic hand-drawn texture like this. These elements are perfect maybe for Valentine content, cute journaling layout, scrapbooks, or maybe wedding invitations, or just any project that needs a soft romantic vibes. Just try it out and make your designs even sweeter. And okay, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!